Hi and welcome to the Park Hyatt London. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my suite. It's suite number 1607. It's on the 16th floor. This hotel opened in Vauxhall, or in a new district called Nine Elms, in October 2024. So I'm filming this almost a year later. Here's your living area. There's a decent view, but I'm going to give you a proper look at it in just a moment. There's a guest toilet in the door you see there to the side, just by the screen. Wardrobe space here, and your mini bar over here. We can take a quick look in. There we go. Pretty standard. So this hotel is on the border of Vauxhall, which is probably best known as being a nightlife district, and this new district called Nine Elms, which is undergoing huge development at the moment. The American embassy just relocated over here a few years back. Very prestigious neighbor to have. It's a 5-minute walk from here. And there on the horizon, you can see Battersea Power Station, which has been redeveloped and is now a shopping center with some residential units, and it hosts a lot of events as well. So yeah, gradually it's becoming a more desirable place to be. And you're right by the river as well. That's a very, very prestigious apartment building there too. Each floor is a single apartment, I was told. Here's your bed. Looking a bit rumpled after I slept there last night. Oh, let me show you the view in this direction as well. You can see the city of London over there from other rooms. You also get a good view of Canary Wharf. In through to the bathroom, standalone tub. This is what you get to look at if you don't have the blinds down when you're bathing. Shower over there, wardrobe space and safe over there. There I am, dual vanities over here. Toiletries are by a French brand, Blaise Matin, I want to say, and they've been developed especially for the hotel. Electric toilet in there. There's your shower, and that's pretty much it. That's your tour of the Park Hyatt London.